Uh-huh. Mr. Tough Guy Pitbull over here. He was out taking a walk, stepped on a stick. The stick moved. He didn't see the stick, and it touched him, and he jumped and flipped out. Got all scared. Uh-huh, Mr. Tough Guy Pitbull. Huh? Tough Guy Pitbull. Here, you want your rope? Here. Here. Get out of here. Tough guy. Well, all right, folk. With all this nice weather coming in and it warming up, I decided it was time to cook up the meats that I have not eaten yet. I guess I picked a good time to forget my cooler in Ohio because it's been so cold I haven't needed it. But I went to cook everything. I've cooked up the bacon. I've cooked up the last 3 hash browns I had. I just cooked up some pulled pork that I had. The only thing that I tossed was the hamburger. It didn't look too good. I think it was still all right, but it was getting right to that point. So I said, nah, I think I'm going to pass on it. Like they say, you're a prepper and everything. When in doubt, throw it out. So anyways, I'll show you what I got for now. Yep, so there's the bacon and the hash browns. Got that all cooked up and ready to go. Was able to save the bacon, no problem. So I still have some tortillas left and whatnot, and I'm thinking about some of the pulled pork, some bacon, probably even crush up one of the hash browns and put that in there and have that little, almost like a breakfast burrito type thing. And there is some ham left, and I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check that out, see if that's still edible, like the sliced ham. A lot of preservatives, so it might still be good. And I have the Johnsonville jalapeno cheddar dogs left, and those are going to be good. I know those are still good, so I'll probably eat those up tomorrow and make sure those don't go bad. I hate wasted food. It wasn't, pardon, it wasn't a lot of hamburger that I ended up throwing away. It was just, it would have made like maybe a small burger, so it wasn't a lot that got wasted. So anyways, going to chow down and catch you folk later. So all right, folk, well, right now we got some steak, we got some bacon, we got some rice and chili, there's some peas in there, and I'm about to cook all of them up, wrap it up in a tortilla, do a burrito with it, and once that starts cooking up a bit, we're going to be throwing some jalapenos and some cheese, and I forgot to put it on there, but there's onion going in it as well. And the cool thing about today, folk, as my food is right there cooking, no hoodie, no nothing. It's freaking beautiful out. I think we're hitting like 56, 57 right now. So I'm just going to cook up my food, enjoy this awesome weather. Butchie's just over there chilling on the bed. I've been walking him around like crazy. He's enjoying the weather too. So get this chowing. I'll show you guys a bit in a little bit later, folk. I forgot to mention that another cool thing about the weather being so nice is we're actually able to use the butane stove today instead of the propane. So all right, folks, so we're cooking it up. So now it's time to drop the cheese, the jalapenos, and the onions. Well, all right, folks, so we got the burritos nice and grilled up, and we're going to use some jalapeno pepper hot sauce, the well-hung jalapeno hot sauce. All right, folk. Well, so all right, folk. Boom! These are banging. They are freaking awesome. Bacon, steak, rice with some chili. There was some peas in it, and it's freaking awesome. I do have one tortilla left, and I'm saving that because I got like a couple pieces of bacon left, and I got some eggs. So I'm going to do a breakfast burrito in the morning. Later, folks. Well, all right, folks. So out here walking Mr. Butchie boy, and even yesterday, most of this was all covered with snow and ice, and now we've got grass again. Still some snow and everything. There's a graveyard. Still some snow over there and whatnot, but most of it is melting. Because today, I do believe it got up to about 56, 57 degrees, which was freaking awesome. And as you can see, still awesome out. And it's my buddy pulling up there in his new, that's his new Chevy. That's Paulie. And yeah, we got, like I said today, 56, 57. Tomorrow's going to be like 55. We got a 54. We got a 45, and then we got another 50. We do, coming around Sunday, we cool off again. We get down to like 30, and it's going to be in the teens at night. And Monday, it warms up a little bit, still in the 30s, and in the teens at night. No, I think mid-20s. And then after that, we're 40s and 50s again. So I can't gripe. I'm really, really happy about this weather now. So anyways, I'm going to get this guy, and we're going to go back in so I can finish eating. Later, folks. So, all right, folk, we are the morning of the next day. And I told you guys yesterday I had one more tortilla left. So I took the last of the steak, the last like 2 pieces of bacon I had, and I got some cheese, some rice, all that stuff mixed up together. I got some home fries in there, everything in there, and just mixing it all together. Gonna have an awesome breakfast burrito. Chow this down. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Later, folk. So, all right, folk. Yet another awesome day out here. Yesterday was a little bit better. It was a little higher, but and also less wind. It's a bit windy today, so I still got the hoodie on. But awesome freaking weather today. Cleaned the heck out of the van. Did really awesome in the van. So I think I'm gonna have plenty of room when I go to the storage. I think I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it in one trip. Probably gonna take a trip or 2, maybe 3. But I think that's just because I'm going to load her up, go through what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to either sell or toss, and I'm going to have to do that a couple times and then find homes for everything. And I think it's going to be just fine until I head back to Ohio. And we are cooking today also. It's almost like a jambalaya. I showed you guys, and I had to put it in a pot because I added the Spanish rice to it and everything. So you got the steak, bacon, you got the jalapeno and cheddar, sausages in there, some Spanish rice, some white rice with like chili in it and everything. Oh, it's gonna be good. And also, I already prepped up a bunch of cheddar cheese, sliced that up real good. We're gonna throw that in there as well. So this is gonna be some good eating. And not a whole heck of a lot going on besides that. It was just hanging out with Butchie and walking him around all day and cleaning out the van. And then, like I said, did an awesome job. Got a few small bags out, and then I got one really big bag out. Just the stuff that could go, and it's out of here. So anyways, I'm going to cook this up. I'm going to eat, come back, see what's going on, and end this video, and catch you folk later. And all right, folk, I was thinking, I kind of have an idea. I still have some of these Boondock, whatever they are, ramens, the extremely freaking spicy ones. And what I was thinking about was making a ramen, tiding me over till dinner time. But I was going to save the juice to cook that jambalaya in the juice, real hot, spicy juice. I think that'll be cool. I think I'm going to go for it. So I'll let you guys know how it is. Later, folks. Say hi, Butchie. You want to say hi to the folk, Butchie? They're over here. There you go. Yep, they're over here. Hey. Hey, Butchie. Over here. Look. Hey. You're looking the wrong way. There you go. Weirdo. All right. Later. Well, all right, folk. Well, it's yet another day has gone by, and I forgot to end this video and send it out yesterday, so I'm going to end it now and send it out now. I don't know if you can see it coming down. It's starting to rain a little bit, so it's going to be a bit of a rainy day. It does seem like the wind is not too bad right now, so I might be able to have my front porch up. If it's too windy, though, I'm not going to be able to put it up, so we'll be stuck in the van while it rains. But anyways, I'm going to get the day going, and we're going to get this video out, and we'll catch you on the next time. Till then, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.